In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create related lists in Salesforce. Navigating and configuring Salesforce to meet your organization's needs can greatly enhance your productivity and data management. Related lists are a useful tool in Salesforce, providing a dynamic way to display and interact with related records, which can be a huge advantage when managing complex data sets. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we want to start by heading over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your primary hub in Salesforce, where you'll access most of your activities and account management. The homepage is quite intuitive to navigate, making it a great starting point for our tutorial today. Next, look for the Quick Settings icon on your homepage. Quick Settings provide you with fast access to frequently used settings, serving as a shortcut to deeper functionalities within Salesforce. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you'll find several options. From the list of options, go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup. This area houses many of Salesforce's more detailed configuration settings and allows you to customize your environment in more robust ways. Within the Advanced Setup, seek the Object Manager tab and click on it. The Object Manager is where you'll be able to manage Salesforce objects, which are tables that hold data specific to your Salesforce record. Here you can control fields, relationships, and many more components related to your data objects. Now, within the Object Manager, choose the object label relevant to the related list you wish to create or modify. This could be an object like accounts, contacts, or any custom object specific to your organization's setup. Once you've selected an object, navigate to Page Layouts. Page layouts control the organization and appearance of fields, buttons, related lists, and other elements on record pages. This is an important step because it defines how users see and interact with records. After you're in the Page Layout section, choose the specific page layout you want to modify. This may require input from your team if there's more than one layout for a particular object, so communication here is the key. Once the page layout is open, find the Related Lists section. Related lists are sublists in a page layout that display records related to the current record you're viewing. They offer a comprehensive view and direct access to relevant data, enhancing workflows immensely. Finally, choose the specific field you wish to include in your related list. This is where you can be strategic, selecting fields that will provide the most value to your team. Once you're satisfied with your selection, make sure to save your changes. By following these steps, you've successfully created or modified a related list in Salesforce. This will help your team have an organized, streamlined view of connected data, boosting both productivity and efficiency. Thanks for sticking around, and be sure to leave any questions or comments you have below.